Undefined health is a growing problem in the 21st century. We live longer than ever before, but our health span is shorter. We are obese and sedentary. We are over-consuming and over-medicating. We are getting sick earlier and dying earlier. What is undefined health? It is the state of having health span that is shorter than what is optimal for your species. For example, for humans, an optimal health span is about 120 years. However, the average lifespan in the United States is around 78 years. And, according to the World Health Organization, the number of people who are suffering from chronic diseases is growing every year. What are the causes of undefined health? There are many causes of undefined health, but they can all be traced back to our lifestyle choices. We are over-consuming and over-medicating. We are getting sick earlier and dying earlier. We are obese and sedentary. We are not getting enough exercise and sunlight. What are the consequences of undefined health? The consequences of undefined health can be devastating. For example, people who are suffering from undefined health often have shorter lifespans. They also have a higher risk of developing chronic diseases, which can lead to death. And, of course, people who are suffering from undefined